कि बहुत अच्छी बात यहाँ पर आम लोग भी कह रहे हैं। एक स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्ट जो लोगों का हमेशा भारत का आप जिक्र करते हैं, भारत की संस्कृति का जिक्र करते हैं, वही जेस्चर जो प्रधानमंत्री या उनके मूव को लेकर भले ही आप पॉलिटिकली आप उसको जितना मर्जी क्रिटिसाइज कर ले, लेकिन ये वो आम लोग हैं जो ये मानते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री का ये स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्ट ही है जो उनको उनके साथ तो जोड़ता ही है, लेकिन आने वाली जनरेशन्स को भी बहुत कुछ यहाँ की जगहों के बारे में पता लगता है और ये बहुत हेरिटेज वैल्यू भी रखती है जगह, और वहीं पर प्रधानमंत्री का आना भी पूरे देश के लिए एक अच्छा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मोदी जी यहाँ आ जा रहे हैं। हम लोग यहाँ इतनी दूर से आ जाए थे यहाँ दर्शन नहीं करने, और ये इस मौके की खासियत हो गई कि आज हमको नरेंद्र मोदी जी को साक्षात देखने का मौका मिलेगा। दोनों के दर्शन हो गए, दोनों के दर्शन।
तो देखिए कितने उत्साहित हो जाते हैं लोग कि उन्हें दोनों के दर्शन हो गए। हालांकि मैं जानती हूँ कि मैं जब यहाँ पर आई तो लोग इस बात को लेकर थोड़ा सा उस वक्त परेशान हो रहे थे कि उन्हें इसी जेटी और फेरी से वहाँ तक जाने का मौका नहीं मिला है, और लोग इस बात को लेकर जितने उत्साहित हो गए ये जानकर कि प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं। तो बड़ी खबर फिलहाल इस वक्त आपने बताई दी कि प्रधानमंत्री कन्याकुमारी में तो पहुंच ही चुके हैं, लेकिन अब से थोड़ी देर बाद TV9 भारतवर्ष के कैमरे पर ये तस्वीर भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी जहां हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से इस मंदिर में दर्शन के बाद।
Those are the visuals, and my colleague Surbhi was reporting straight from Kanyakumari, all set for the Prime Minister to descend at Kanyakumari and start his meditation. Considering that the 6th phase of polling for the 18 Lok Sabha elections is over, this is Prime Minister Modi's spiritual sojourn, which is about to begin in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari, which is special because of the Swami Vivekananda rock and also Swami Vivekananda Memorial Hall. Swami Vivekananda is supposed to have meditated there, and therefore it now attains special significance, considering Narendra Modi has always spoken about how he follows Swami Vivekananda's spiritual teachings, and has also said that he has spent considerable time at the Ramakrishna Mutt when he was a young politician working for the organization. If you may recall, Modi had earlier in 2019, after the election campaign, taken what is called and adopted Ekantavas, which means solitary meditation. This happened in Uttarakhand in Kedarnath shrine, where he was quiet, he meditated, he thought over, searching for some calmness. Here is a Prime Minister who nearly after 75 interviews and hectic back-to-back campaigning in the sweltering heat of this country has now decided to take it easy, rather to think about what goes on in his innermost thoughts, what is it that he is seeking, and also getting ready for a very hectic 4th of June result day. So this he will start, and then after that on the 1st of June he shall return. But as of now, apparently he first went to Kerala, if I am not wrong, to Thiruvananthapuram, and from there he is now on his way to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Lot of security in Kanyakumari. The police has seen to it that there are layers and layers of security, considering the Prime Minister is going to be here. Let's also now show you the different aspects of this sojourn of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
So Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be at Vivekanand Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari, and I shall show you the direct pictures that how the security is taking place at present, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi would stay for about hours to meditate, and the Coastal Security Group, the Indian Coast Group and the Indian Navy had maintained a vigil along the marine borders, and all the securities have taken place. Let me tell you that how the selection of the Vivekanand Rock at the site of the Prime Minister's Modi meditative retreat also assumes significance in light of his pronounced push in the south during this year's Lok Sabha election. And over the third of the Prime Minister's trip in the south occurred in the last 3 years, with 7 visits made in Tamil Nadu in 2024 alone. Though the 5 southern states, when we talk about Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, accounted for 131 of 543 Lok Sabha seats, where Tamil Nadu alone accounts for 39 seats in the parliament. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has forecasted the emergence of the BJP as the single largest party in the south. So his visit in Kanyakumari is also in the talk, when we would see that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would meditate at the rock, which had a major impact on Vivekananda's life and holds a similar significance in the monk's life. Um, it was here that Vivekananda arrived after wandering across the country, meditating for 3 days, and had a vision for a developed India. And we've seen Prime Minister Narendra Modi also focusing on develop India, and meditating at the same place shows Prime Minister Modi's commitment to bringing Swamiji's vision of a Viksit Bharat to life. The place is also referred in holy text as the site of Goddess Parvati meditation for Lord Shiva, and Prime Minister Modi is giving a signal of the national unity by visiting the place in Kanyakumari. Though let me tell you that Prime Minister would also visit the temple, which has a great significance. This is a holy place where we see a lot of tourists also visit when they come to South. So this is the place where we would see Prime Minister Narendra Modi would meditate, and it will be from today afternoon, post evening hours, when Prime Minister would be visiting at this memorial and would stay here till June 1st afternoon.